Hello students. Today I will start with you all with the civics class with the representation of democracy for class 7 from the Milestone book chapter 2. This is Priyanka Sanyal from TIGPS Siliguri. So let us start with the video. So basically today we will know the types of party system. So there are three types of party system. One party system, two party system, multi-party system. What is one party system? In some countries, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. These are called one party systems. For example, in China, only the Communist Party is allowed to rule. What is two-party system? In some countries, there is a two-party system or bi-party system. This makes it simpler for the voters to choose. It is voted to power by majority. In USA, there are two parties, the Democrats and the Republicans. What is multi-party system? If several parties compete for power and more than two parties have reasonable chance of winning, we call it a multi-party system. In India, we have a multi-party system. Since multi-party system tend to offer more choices to the voters, it is often considered better than the other party systems. Now, children, let us know what is coalition government. Coalition government are common in countries where the parliament proportionally represented by several political parties. It is formed when two or more political parties together constitute the government in the absence of a clear majority. For example, countries like India. Did you know, children? In India, the first coalition government was formed in the 6th general election in 1977. So students, I hope you have understood the video. So we have learned about the party system, what are the party systems and how many party system are there. We have three party system, one party system, two party system and multi-party system. We have also learned about the coalition government. So students, I hope you have understood the video. So thank you class. Stay safe and stay well.